Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we will be revealing the project overview of Prestige Group's newly launched premium segment project Prestige Somerville located in Whitefield Marithalli Road, Bangalore. So we will let you know a lot in detail about this project, but before that let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the bottom best rate price. Also, unlike other current listing platforms whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. Unlike other listing platforms, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developers so that you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. In this video, we will be talking about the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, and also launch discounts and offers. So firstly, let us know the project overview. This project will be constructed across 6.58 acres, each comprising of 306 units, and also it will be consisting of 2 towers, each with G+17 floors, which will be available in 3, 3.5, 2 and 4 BHK residencies. Talking about the location, it is located in Marithalli Whitefield Road, opposite to the Cloud9 Hospital. And also Manipal Hospital is just 600 meters away, 500 meters away for Sigma Tech Park, and also Forum Neighbor is just 1 kilometer away. The location of the project is so ideally located that within 15 minutes drive, you will reach the Outer Ring Road and also ITPL Whitefield. Talking about the amenities, this project by Prestige Group is premium and low density project. And also 1 lakh square feet of the project is open area and 84% is open spaces. And as you all can see, there is a lake also that is surrounded by this project. And also internally the project is providing you premium things such as entirely marble flooring, high-end glass fit-outs, washrooms, and also premium facade glass balconies. And also externally they're providing you with 35 plus luxurious amenities that includes gymnasium, kids play area, clubhouse, multipurpose courts, and many more. Prestige Somerville is providing you 2, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK residencies, while the dimension goes like this: 2 BHK 1203 square feet, 3 BHK 1773 to 1818 ranging square feet, 3.5 BHK with 1962 square feet, and 4 BHK with 2616 square feet. Now let us know the booking process. But before that, let me tell you what Housey actually does for us. In Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we give you exact location tours. In Housey, we will let you know pros and cons of each project. In Housey, we will also give you full pricing inclusive of EMI and down payment. Last but not the least, in Housey, we will give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. If after all this, if you would like to book your free site visit, then simply by 3 clicks by clicking on the link in the description box below, you can go book your free site visit today. Then what are you waiting for? Go book your free site visit today. So now let us know the booking process. Expression of interest will be open and you can come visit the site and our sales team will explain you the exact project details and also the booking process. They'll also help you with different pricing and payment schemes and also help you with banking options. If after all this you like this project, then go register yourselves on housey.com for your free site visit today. Also, you can download e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. But before going, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more details and project updates. Until then, bye-bye.
Exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.